Hello, my name is Prem, and today I'm talking about the SDG Policy Support System from the United Nations University Institute for Water, Environment and Health. This tutorial will focus on the summary page. I'm going to assume you've read the user guidelines so that you have a basic understanding of the SDG PSS. If you haven't read the user guidelines, please go to our website to download them now. I'm going to start by introducing, very briefly, the 7 components that are in the SDG PSS. The first is status, that is, status against targets and indicators. Then there's capacity, finance, policy and institutional strengthening, gender mainstreaming, DRR, which is disaster risk reduction and resilience mainstreaming, and transparency. I'm currently on the home page. If you click on the Summary tab, you will be taken to the Summary view. This page may be particularly important for decision makers and policymakers because it is the overview of all the evidence in the SDG PSS put together. You can see that there are components listed across the top, along with subcomponents listed underneath. Down the left-hand side are all the targets of SDG 6, as well as the national aspirations. In order to use the SDG PSS, a country has to first agree on their national aspirations for each target. Please note that this is not real data, this is a demonstration model. But let's say, for example, that a country has aspired to reach 75% of wastewater treated safely. This row then shows how much progress the country has made against this national aspiration according to the data in the SDG PSS. The colors should be intuitively understandable. White means that there has been adequate progress made. Red means that there has been inadequate progress made. And green means that there has been significant progress made according to the data in the SDG PSS against the national aspiration. There is also this light blue color, which indicates no evidence, and that this is a gap. No evidence in the summary view means that experts, scientists, and decision makers have not been able to collect enough data for the SDG PSS to produce reliable and rigorous evidence. If we go back to this example, and you look along this row, you can see where strengths and weaknesses may lie. For example, according to this summary view, there may need to be more attention paid to gender mainstreaming with regard to this target, and there may also need to be more evidence collected and action taken with regard to DRR and resilience mainstreaming. However, you can also see that there has been some success for policy inequity. This is all just according to the data that has been input into the SDG PSS, and as data and information grow and improve in a country, so too will this summary become more and more accurate. If you would like to see how data is input into the SDG PSS, and how all of this evidence is automatically calculated, you can look at the next tutorials for the SDG PSS. For now, if you have any more questions, please feel free to contact UNU-INWEH or any of the partners in this project.